This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the West Loop at Arkadia, a full-amenity, pet-friendly, high-rise apartment tower. Panning around so that you can see just how close you are to the Loop offices. Chainburn Expressway interchange, just 2 blocks from here. Terrific location. Steps from Mariano's grocery store, the West Loop's spectacular dining nightlife. In the living area of Unit 2702, a 1-bedroom, facing east obviously. You have plank flooring throughout the living area. You have an efficient U-shaped kitchen with good cabinet and counter space. It's a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. Dishwasher, a built-in microwave, 42-inch lacquer look upper cabinets and espresso stained lowers. Quartz counters. And you have a wide breakfast bar lip. Looking toward the entry of the unit, a full-size stacked washer-dryer, coat closet, and a space that is large enough even for a home office desk or a hall console table if you prefer. It's a very bright unit. Heading toward the bedroom. Bedroom is carpeted. There's that view out to the east. Double hanging in the closet. And the bath opens off the bedroom. Has a tub. Attractive white tile in the tub surround and marble veined white tile on the floor. And then you have a nice wide vanity with an undermount sink. Arkadia has a hyper-convenient location to West Loop offices, University of Illinois at Chicago campus, public transit, and of course it has those great amenities and these dazzling views. You really want to have it high on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.